everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys I gonna show you how we clean our surface area, how we disinfected our surface area, and which chemical we are using and which chemical used for which thing and which chemical used for which thing. So let's start.
So first of all, guys, I would like to let you know, for example, this is a chopping board, right? And you are cutting something, okay, on this chopping board. So you have to just remove this chopping board first, okay? Then take one tissue paper and wipe this surface because already you finish your things which you wanna cut. After that, you have to remove this chopping board from there, and you have to wipe this surface. Then after that, guys, you will put this one, this sanitize sorry, this multi surface cleaner. You will spray, okay? You will spray, then again you will use the tissue paper on the surface, then you will wipe it clearly. Then after that, you will use this sanitizer, guys, okay? So this sanitizer you will put on the top, sorry, you will spray on the top of surface, then again you will wipe, so it will be disinfected, sorry, it will be disinfect this surface, right? So it's a clear thing, guy, it will be disinfect when you will put this bottle spray, right? It's a multi sanitizer, so you have to just press like this, and then after that you have to just wipe it, so it will be disinfect surface. So it's the process, guys, which we are following in a five-star hotel. This two, it's a multi-surface cleaner, first one yellow color one, and it's a sanitizer. So first you have to use this one for clean all the germs, then after that you have to put this one, this sanitizer, to kill all the bacteria. So after that it will be disinfected surface. So this is my video, guys, which I wanna share with you how to clean from this both liquid, from this both cleaner, how we can keep disinfected our surface area which we are using for our daily basis.